You're watching Fox 5 News.
The only reason why I'm watching the Super Bowl this weekend is for the snacks. I mean, let's be real. And I love the healthy snacks.
Yes.
So guess who we brought today? Our friend Debbie Kornberg is back, founder and CEO of Spice and Leaf, to show us, like, I walked in and immediately you made me start munching. So there we go. Hi, Debbie.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. What did you bring for us?
Today, we're showcasing how to put a healthy twist on our Super Bowl, and we can still have some indulgence, but be able to have some safe foods.
Okay.
Safe.
Safe. I get
foods.
it. Safe.
Okay,
You
right?
sound like Raul today with the puns and jokes. Okay, what are we going to do?
So we are making cauliflower poppers. These are baked Italian herb cauliflower poppers with a pesto spread underneath and some feta, whipped feta under. And then of course we drizzled some 18-year aged balsamic on top just to balance out the flavor.
Okay, how do we make it?
So what we have are panko crumbs. So you're gonna want 1.5 cups of the panko crumbs and pop that in a bowl. And this is grated Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna do about 1/2 cup of this.
Okay.
And if you feel cheesy,
I feel cheesy.
you can add a little extra.
You feel cheesy? I like cheesy. Okay.
And a tablespoon of the Spice and Leaf Italian herb seasoning blend. This is salt-free. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there.
Okay.
And yeah, so it's here. You can give it a smell if you want. We're gonna mix that up.
So fragrant.
So this is a really easy recipe. You can prep it early and then just pop it back in the oven before you're ready to go. And we have our cauliflower florets. It's so easy now. They come like already washed and ready to go. And so what I am going to recommend is that you just dap it in a little bit of flour.
Flour first.
Yep. Eggs, 3 eggs. And I so wish I had a paper towel right now.
That's okay.
Or a towel, but anyways, and then we're gonna just drop it in here.
Okay.
And then place it onto the baking sheet.
Okay.
And they will come out of the oven just like so.
All right.
Yes.
So now you put them in the oven.
We're gonna put them in the oven 400. If you have convection option, do it. It's like air frying.
Yes.
So you can air fry it.
Okay.
Or you can do convection bake. And I do about 15 minutes and they're soft and ready to go. So I'm gonna set this aside. So that's part one.
That's part one.
Part one, people. Okay, next, you're gonna wanna make some pesto.
Ooh, I love fresh pesto.
So with that, you're gonna take garlic, some basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and you're gonna dump that all in here. I really wanna spare you the bad noise that this makes, but I'm showcasing how it's gonna be.
Yes.
And olive oil, very important. So I usually do about 20 ounces, 2 cups of basil, and I will do 3/4 cup of olive oil in there with the parm, 1/4 cup parm, 1/4 cup of pine nuts and salt. And then it will get mixed and become like this.
Okay, so now this is ready.
Yeah, so now what we're gonna do is my favorite word. We're gonna zhuzh the plate.
Zhuzh the plate.
So I'm gonna take some of the pesto here. You smear.
I smear?
Yes.
I love smearing.
Here, you can take a little more and spread it around.
So
there we go.
this on the bottom.
Yeah, and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil here just to help spread it out and thin it out a little.
Got it.
Yeah.
This smells so good.
It smells fresh, right? Because we're doing everything from scratch and not too bad. I'll take your spoon.
Okay.
And now we're gonna dollop some whipped feta.
I love feta.
And you could do goat cheese, you could do cream cheese, and then we're gonna mash those right in there.
Mash it on top?
Yeah.
Mash, look at this. Oh, this is a great appetizer.
Right?
I
do one more?
gotta do this. Yeah, let's do one more. Okay.
There we go.
So now that's that.
Yes.
And then what?
Well, there are choices.
Oh,
so there's the 18-year aged balsamic to give it a little acid, and that is the habanero.
Habanero.
Okay.
Okay.
It's really hot.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. You say it's really hot? Like do you know me?
It has a delayed reaction, so I mean that'll make it the popper.
Don't tempt me. Like I can seriously.
Oh, that would be really fun.
Would I put it on it?
I mean, for those who would like. Anybody who's going to enjoy these today?
I'm gonna put this on
Yeah.
one. Here,
It has, oh my God, that's so much.
No, it's great.
Okay, that's yours.
That's okay. Yeah, that's
Okay,
mine.
hang on.
Oh, there's more.
No.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, and then we can just take a football and stick it in there, and then you've got game day going on.
Super cute. And you have a few other options?
So, I made an easy cheese board. I want to see you eat that.
I am gonna eat it.
Okay. And I did a combo of skinny popcorn. It's the sweet and salty, and then I did some fun. So it's balanced. I have a tzatziki dip over there, salsa, and hummus with our spice and leaf hummus seasoning topper. And so we're ready for game day.
You inspired me. I love this. Like, love, love, love this. I'm gonna make this at my next party. Thank you for being here.
Absolutely.
And we're gonna get the recipe, and if you want to get in touch with her, on our website, foxeyesandiego.com, click the seat on tab, we'll get you hooked up with her. You looked very concerned this whole time. Oh, Deb.
It's delayed. It's delayed, and I don't know if you got any.
Not hot at all.
Girl. Okay, now try that.